Hi, I'm Deontae and I'm here to teach you about the chemistry of amino acids. There are 20 amino acids found in proteins. Plants can produce all 20. However, humans can only produce 10. Therefore, we must supply the other 10 in the food that we eat. Failure to consume these other 10 amino acids may result in protein degradation or, in severe cases, death. Of the 20 standard amino acids, 10 are considered non-essential, which means they can be produced by the body. 2, arginine and histidine, are considered semi-essential, which means they must be consumed in our diet under certain circumstances. The remaining 8 are considered essential, which means they must be consumed in our diet. The structure of an amino acid consists of 3 major parts: the amino group, the side chain, and the carboxyl group. Amino acids also have what's called a 2-carbon bond, meaning that one of the carbons is connected to the amino group and the other carbon is connected to the carboxyl group. The amino group consists of 1 nitrogen atom and 2 hydrogen atoms. The carboxyl group consists of 1 carbon atom, 2 oxygen atoms, and 1 hydrogen atom. The carbon atom is double bonded to the lone oxygen atom. The R group, otherwise known as a side chain, is unique to every amino acid and is also what prevents any 2 amino acids from being the same. The side chain determines the size, polarity, and pH for each amino acid. For example, the side chain can make an amino acid into either a weak base or into a weak acid. Also, if the side chain is polar, it makes the amino acid into what is called a hydrophile, and if the side chain is nonpolar, then it makes the amino acid into what is called a hydrophobe. So now that we know what all of the parts of the amino acid are, all that's left for us to do is combine them. We have the amino group, the R group or the side chain, the carboxyl group, and then the central carbon to hold everything together. And there we have ourselves an amino acid. A peptide bond is the type of bond that occurs when 2 amino acids come together. This is an example of covalent bonding. When a peptide bond occurs, the carboxyl group of 1 amino acid bonds with the amino group of the other amino acid. When this happens, the carboxyl group of this amino acid gives off an oxygen and a hydrogen atom, and the amino group of this amino acid gives off just a hydrogen. After peptide bonding occurs, the resulting amino acid looks similar to this, with the carbon from this amino acid bonding directly to the nitrogen of this amino acid. The 2 hydrogen atoms and the oxygen atom that are given off during the peptide bonding process come together to form an H2O molecule, or a water molecule. This process will usually occur many times, forming a long chain of amino acids, otherwise known as a protein, and at each joining point where the 2 amino acids come together, a water molecule will be given off. Thank you for watching The Chemistry of Amino Acids. For more information, visit chemistryislife.com.